Yo, 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 yo. Back at it with the small charts. I'm looking down at most time, man. So I'm gonna screen up, but y'all see me. Y'all see me. Y'all see it. Back with it. Another again. Monday, February 2nd. We are it's third, right? Man, what day is it? Second. It's the second. Tomorrow's the third. How's birthday on the way? Yeah. So just real quick, man. We're gonna go through these charts for the week. I made a video about my top stocks for the February and going into the going into the month. And so y'all go check that out. It's a pretty good video, and it's one that I think will be very beneficial to all parties involved. And yeah, let me know what y'all think. Let me know what stocks you want me to look at. I'm gonna just start with the charts. And also we're gonna start with a little scripture with that word, that truth. Um, Monday night. I want to just for reminders. I'm always start on Monday nights. That's gonna be my night where I just kind of go over the week. I found that going to the week Sunday night doesn't work because Monday set the tone for the week really. So um, and that's just on my own experience, my own time. So real quick, we looking at. Let me just go and bring this down to the single man. So see if y'all can see this verse a little better. Not too confusing. There we go. Oh, yeah, that too. That's crazy. Never mind. Get back then. All right. So y'all see it, man. Honor the Lord with your wealth, and from the first of all your produce. Then your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will overflow with new wine. My son, do not reject the, the discipline of the Lord, or loathe, aka hate his rebuke. All right. So that's our word for the week, man. That's our word for this Monday, February 2nd. I thought it was the third, so I got the third verse of Proverbs. I'm trying to get a stewardship type proverb reverse for every day that I do it. Just following that proverb way. Proverb a day keeps the sin away, as they say. That boy had balls, huh? Yeah. So, man, so that just basically means, and y'all see it, just honor God with your first, and not just with your first, but with your wealth. Another verse just says with your substance. In KJV, it mentions just basically whatever you have, God, you honor God by giving it to Him first, right? Because he's the one who gave us life. He's the one who's given us our first breath. He's gave us our first eyesight of every day, right? We all got it, so we got to give our blessings back or just honor Him. We can't bless Him back, so let's honor Him. Um, that's the only way we can give back to a true and everlasting creator of the entire universe, the only one. Yeah, and then but there's a promise that that's it. So this is actually a conditional, right? So it says, "Then your barns will be filled with plenty, and your vats will overflow with new wine." So yeah, it's more blessed to give than it's received. But that's not the reason why we give, though. We give because we want to honor the Lord. That's our motivation. That's our motivation. All right, man. Let's get to these charts. Starting us off with Google, the big boy. Actually, let me go back real quick before we start with the charts. Let's really go into. I can see it's not just some overall macro stuff. So Fed rate decision, we got in hold another 40 days, 43 days. Let me go back. Actually, it's not even recording, is it? Yeah, it's probably not gonna record. It's not about that. Let me stop sharing real quick. Oh well, man. We're gonna just do the charts today. We're gonna do the charts. I'll get you the rundown later. It's another video also. Um, yeah. So Google is set, primed, and ready to roll. I use a 2 day. I use a multi-time frame. I'm gonna show y'all the 2 day right now, but 2 days kind of really telling you long term. This is for more if you want to do swings like through the weeks or the month. It's pretty good for that. I use moving averages for structure, RSI. This is one of my other buy sell indicators. When this dips, it's a pretty good time to buy. I mean, this is the anchored VWAP. I heard about it from some guys I was watching one day. Decided to try it out. YouTube video looked like it looked good. Put it up. It actually works pretty well. So it's y'all want to add this to your play. So y'all see this dip here. The stock dip also, and after the dip, we was on a run up, right? We popped up, we dipped again. Price is 180. We ran up, and if it's up, it's up. You know what I'm saying? So 180, and let's go to the next dip. If we just sold the next dip, what we would have did? We would have got one sold at 206, right? Again, so now let's say we sold, we got out, we didn't mess with it. Probably should have stayed in because it really didn't fall below. Really, you don't really want to like get out unless it's around that 10 area. So didn't get that 10. So you probably even added a little bit here. And you really would have ran it up. And then we see it come here. Um, yeah, the dip. Now we got a dip here at 245 on October 10th, and we ran it up. Is just say let's say we don't sell until we see a dip here. It's just say we okay, so it's at 10. Let's say we sold. Well, that would have been a bad sale. Not a bad sale, but you don't want to sell with this. It's low structure. We ain't gonna go too much into that. But 314, that's not a bad. It's not bad. 246 to 314, and how long? In 3 months. It's a pretty good strategy. I really don't even use this for that, but that's actually one for long term trading. I might really wait for this for real for real. I have another strategy. They give me buy sell alerts here as well. Gave me another one before after this one. I should got a sale right here. I don't know. It's acting up. Did I use the right one? Yeah, that's the wrong one. Okay, that's the wrong one. Yep. This the one. There we go. Same thing. Okay. All right, all right, all right. I ain't mad at you, but y'all can see it though. It's a great strategy, man. Get you 91% of the time it's a win. And for every loss you get 9 times as much. Um 9 times much return on that value. So yep. All right, let's drop this real quick and let's out the way a little bit. Bet. So it's right there. We got 7 minutes. That's a lot of time on Google. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. All right, so I like the 2 day, 2 hour really good as well. It's a real good strategy, but I've been using the 4 hour lately just for entries, and because it's a little more smoother, right? So you really want to really know what's going on. And so let's say so right now we're not the worst time to buy, but when you see this is up, it's great. This is just a very clear distinction when to buy, right? So we were this right here was not been a good time. Well, it kind of was dipping, but if it's at the green and that one's up, it is lowering, so you probably don't want to mess with it. But once it gets up here, and once we're in the blue and we're kind of cruising, you see a dip like this, that's a great time to buy. It's a great time to buy. And we see structure says the same thing, same that same thing. Same too. Like this is it's that sandwich. It's that sandwich, man. You see that Klondike bar, man. It's good to go. It's an ice cream sandwich. It's good to go. You off to the running, man. So Google's off to the running. Um, I like this structure too. It's on this candlestick when it's like this. I think that's called a hammer or something like that. But usually they pop up the higher. I saw something similar to that earlier. Yep, right here. Popped up. Kept going. So I bought a couple in the Google today. I think it was gonna run. Um, not too much longer, but it's definitely gonna run. And our size agreement. So we got our side above here, our side above here. It's time to get in. So that's Google. That's Google. So Google is a good play, and it's really a good play up into earnings. Earnings is on Wednesday the 4th, and that's usually after. So I think we're gonna run up until that. We're definitely gonna run up to earnings. Let me jot this down. Pause real quick. See. All right, bet. The angle's back. Hopefully, um, look a little more sane. I'm talking to y'all right now, so yeah, back with it. So Google, good play, good play. I use a 2 day and a 4 hour. Again, it's the anchor VWAP strategy. Y'all can take it. It ain't really mine. Somebody else's VWAP angle VWAP. Angle. I think I was looking for anchor, and I found this one. Sometimes it's happen like that, man. TradingView has so many strategies. If you want to get these alerts, man, that's from my own personal one. I developed with Claudia. Um, Oh, that's clock code, clock code. Yeah, man. So I like RSI above the RSI average, and we got agreement on a larger time frame. Larger time frame is always our confirmation. Don't believe the hype in the smaller one. Always confirm with Big Bro first, and then you can move on. You gotta check in with Big Bro before you can buy, make a determination on what's real. Again, like so, if you bought this dip on this VWAP, we good to go. We're really good to go. Now, let me see. What we got next. We got next. So NEE is one of my top plays personally. Um, we've been running. We've been running. I think we're gonna see a dip here pretty soon. I think it's gonna stay up also. And yeah, we broke our RSI average here. So we're gonna be low for a little bit, but I think we'll be back up very soon. Very soon. It's my 10 and my 30. I really like this as a indicator for a bullish or bearish run. When it's below the 30, it's not really bearish. Really the 50 is where it kind of really gets bearish. But I use it for the cross best entry right here, right? That when they cross, great entry. Also got an entry right there. So when you cross, great entry. What we did since then, nothing but stair steps, right? So NEE, that's an energy company, and they partner with Google. So they're trying to bring back a nuclear power plant somewhere like that. So that's just, and energy is the next sector that the tech stocks and the heavy metals and all the metals are going into now. So something to look out for. And let me show y'all the SPY real quick, just get y'all overall view of what's going on in the market. Yeah, these things never keep that structure, man. What happened that day? What was this? Ain't no way the SPY dropped like this today. Yeah, this is fine. That's so weird. What that today? Yeah, it's a glitching. Trading view glitching. I have no idea what's going on with this. That's weird. Yeah, SPY 2 day looking good. On the way back up. We don't have that glitch here, so I don't know why it's ain't glitching on the 2 day. That's weird. We got some structure forming. I like my 10. You want your 10 to be pushing up, looking up. You want your 30 to be looking up as well. We got that same little hammer coming up. So that hammer usually is good news. And yep, we got good news on the way. This isn't great structure. You don't want this structure. You kind of want this something like here, right? So right here would have been a good time to buy, right? And it was, and we popped up because this was solid near our top red line. This was a decent time to buy. Slow move on the way back up, but we made it back up. Yep. Strategy said to buy a little earlier. I might actually create a strategy just for this. I think I did. I tried to. It was hard to get it timed right because the math on this was a little different. I would think I'm gonna try to create a strategy. What's that? RSI is above RSI average. RSI fighting to get above RSI average down here. And yeah, so SPY, man, I think SPY is gonna be up because of Google, Amazon's reporting this week, and some other big tech companies are also reporting. QQQ, very similar candlestick pattern on the recent. RSI is not too much conviction right now. Same with the 2 day, not too much conviction. We are on a low, we dipping. We are high though, so I think, and this is also a very strong candle on that green. We got that hammer. Hammers usually knock their way up. This was a similar one. Y'all see how they Google has this, Spider Spy has this, QQQ has this. That tells you how much of Google is in these ETFs, man. And now it goes out VIX, man. We had so the VIX is finally looking back in our favor a little bit. We got that cross, we got our RSI average, man. This stuff, it works for any and every stock, man. Any and every. We got a very poor, just trash little doji right here, indecision. So I think, but it's also below, it's 200 for the 4 hour too, so that's pretty good. That's good to hear. We got our 10 crossing down, 30 crossing down. Trying to make a cross here on the way up. And since Friday, that's where gold and silver was crashing and everything. So a lot of volume hit. But it was good for right now. So that's why I think we're gonna be up because we started today at 18 and we ended the day at 16. That's usually pretty good. That's usually a good telltale sign of how the week's gonna go. And that's probably a lot of sentiment on earnings as well. So um yeah, Bitcoin real quick. Just go to the big boys. Bitcoin trying to rise on this forward. Yeah, it's trying to rise. Now I do think we get a pop on Bitcoin. I think we hit our level here. Yeah, 74,000 was my level. Let's see if I put on this one or not. I didn't put on this. Some other chart. But yeah, 74,000 was the level. We bounced off. We're consolidating above the 10, which is good. So we're like gonna hit this 30. So we're like gonna hit 80,000. So you heard it here first. Even though it's kind of weak. Yeah, but this is a 2 day, so it's not done yet. You need one more day. I think we get to half of this. Yep, half of this is also 80,000. Yep, that's usually what happens. Then we're gonna come back all the way back down. So I think we get all the way down to about 55K. I looked at last time. So yeah, real quick. Well, I believe so. I'll take my word for it. It's real easy, man, to read charts, man. It's history, bro. It's all history. So yeah, man. So when you see a lot of this, like this is an invincible wall. You just go right here, just do this, and do that there. So yeah, that's the line I just drew. So 71 for sure, definitely 71. And you just find another one, man. So I think what's lower than 71? We got a lot of stoppage here. So it was a lot of support. This is the support here, right here at 57. We had like more confirmed support down here at 50, 53, 53. So we gonna get 53K. Yep. All right, bet. So that's the big boys. So where Bitcoin goes, crypto follows. And RSI confirms we are in the dumps on a 2 day. So you know we in the dumps on everything else. So yeah, man. But we got some good separation from RSI average. So expect it to, when we get that, real separation, there's usually a reversion back to the mean, right? It's mean reversion. That's one thing to remember always in stocks is mean reversion. It's gonna go back to the mean. And you can apply these same strategies to your own trades. Leave a comment if you want me to show you next video how to do these things, and just a few of the trades I want to show y'all just real quick on this Monday afternoon. But my favorite stocks for the week, actually, man, for long term, I love me some Microsoft. I mean, sorry, that's Microsoft. This is that boy Facebook. Facebook got, man, when it touches this 200, it's a win. It's a win, man. Except for it's in 2023. But 200 last time we did that, ta-da. I think we're doing the same thing, man. So we on the way up, and we here. And usually on the 2 day, they usually stay for a little longer. So I think, yeah, we here. I'm not mad to buy here at 706 because we really fell off a little bit. We popped all the way up to 746, and we hit that trend line and came back down to this one. Yep. I'm not mad to buy. I'm not mad to buy at all, man. Really a leap. I would say 6 months out. It's gonna be very volatile, but it's gonna get back up to at least 790 at minimum for sure. I think 800 this time. And real quick, Micron, I like them too. This is a good, yeah. See that sandwich for me? Here we go back up from here, man. This is one day we go back up from here. Micron, we go back up. I believe, yeah, it didn't even really fall on the 4. I thought it fell a little bit. It didn't do nothing. Yeah. Our size is below, so yeah, I think, yeah, it's a good time to buy, man. Micron got so much more momentum. So much momentum. It's just, whew. AMD building up some momentum. I like it above here. We're up here. Yeah, this is actually a great time for AMD. Just okay. That's my last one for y'all, man. So, all right, man. That's my video for today. Man, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll get y'all the next one. Around time on this app. But if you want me to check anything else out for y'all. All right, now. Peace.